Hello and welcome to this video. This is part 2 of AirGap Server. In this video we will see how we can download local maps so that the AirGap server can work totally isolated from internet, so that you don't need any connection in case of you don't have internet connection. So I installed the AirGap using you can review the last video that shows the steps of how to install it, straightforward, or you can go to cloud.dubai.org and download the AirGap server here. If you don't want to install it, however, the script that you need to install it is simple and straightforward. So either way, we have a local server here. We have secure connection. We have default login, and I'm running a drone here. So I want to download this map so that I don't depend on internet anymore. So I will click here and take the latitude and longitude and paste it here. I already pasted a number here. This will be something like that, very similar. And I will go here and paste the number here. So I'm doing I'm taking 2 points, and I will download this area between this point and this point. So let's use these values. We are going to use this application. This application is open source, is developed also by me. You can check this code. Here it is. It's called mapcache. You can download and execute it, or just install it and call it. And it has many features, by the way, and it works on Linux and Windows and Mac OS. Okay, to execute this, we need to open the server. Here's a screen. Let's exit. To open the server, we SSH vi at airgap.local. Password is Raspberry. Okay, as we can see, this is the server. We need to install the images into this folder. It's called cache map, and this folder is already running and accessed under this address. So we want to put images here. Okay, first we install the application. I think I already installed it. By the way, the image already has this version installed already. So if you run the ready image, you don't need to install it. Then we will execute this command. This command is to download. This is the command. This is the application. The application here it is again. The application takes some parameters, which is latitude, longitude of the first point, then latitude and longitude of the second point, and it will complete a square. Then the maximum zoom in and the folder that you want the images to be copied into. So it's important that you determine zoom in. If you don't want maximum zoom, which is 20, you can select, for example, 18, because if you select 20 and select a large area, there will be lots of images to download. But anyway, This is the file, this is the command. Here it is, the points. I chose zoom in 18. This is a folder, and you choose the provider and the key. You need to have your own key. Here it is. As we can see, although the area is not big, is not large, here it is, the area is relatively small, and I didn't choose zoom 20, but I'm still having lots of images to download. Here it is, zoom 18. Here it is the maximum zoom now. I can increase it to 20. By the way, you can rerun the application and it will download images. If it failed in the first trial to download images, it will re-download only the images that are not there. Or if you want to increase the zoom, for example, to 19, then you need to increase the zoom and then download and press enter. It will not re-download everything. Or if you want to download another area, you don't need to download a single area or a connected area. You can download area here and another area somewhere in another continent. Okay, let's check now the images. Press refresh. Here it is, cached map. Here it is, the images. Yes, this is the images. These are the images that we need. Okay, we need now to tell the server to use the images that we downloaded and avoid using the internet, or avoid using the original map provider. So we go here back to DroneEngage website. We open build config and we need only to comment this and enable this. Here is the images. Check this. Here we have map and cached map, and here you don't have this subfolder, so this will make problem. We need to update the URL to be exactly as we can see in the site here. See, this is the URL. Here it is, and then we have the image with X, Y, and the zoom. Here it is X, Y, Z, which is the zoom. PNG. Okay. Now press save and just refresh. Okay, now this is working because we see blank here. So we need to zoom out. Okay, now we see the world. We zoom in, see Australia. We zoom in, Okay, here it is. Okay, this is the area now. This is completely internal. So we can disconnect from the net completely 100% and make the units connected directly to this server, AirGap.local, and it doesn't need any internet access in any way. Okay, I want to show you that if I zoom in, yes, it disappeared. Why? Because this is zoom 19 and zoom 20. So I need to I can maximum zoom to zoom 18. If I need more, then I can run the command here and increase the zoom in to 19 or 20, but then I will have more images to download. I need to check the path first. See, I'm not using the correct path. That's why it re-downloaded the images. So I will remove these images and I will get the complete path. Seems that I downloaded the bus originally incorrect, but anyway, we need to keep the buses the same. That's it. And we need the bus to be inside this folder. Okay, here it is. See, it skipped the files. Then it started to download from Zoom 19. Before that, every image has been downloaded already. As we can see that Zoom 19 is already 11,000 images. That's a lot. So I don't want to download all these images, but I just give you an idea about what to do if you want extra zoom. Okay, I want to show you something here. These are the services of the server, and this is the map server. You want details about it, so you can run sudo bm2 describe 0, which is the ID here, and this is the command. Actually, it is just a simple HTTP server with that its name is map server, and it points to this folder. I think the complete command, yes, here it is. This is the command, and this is the home folder, the port. So you can change anything here. You can point to actually another server if you want. It doesn't matter. It's just this is the whole idea. You have downloaded images in a certain way, and you have URL that you can access it. Then you take this URL and then open the DroneEngage web client, the build, the config file, and you can update this path, or you can add your own path, your own server. By the way, this is the original map. You can subscribe in any other map and start to use it. There are some other maps with higher resolution, so that you can use it. I guess that's all. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it useful. Thank you very much.